Everyone throws this away because they don't know that it is an excellent natural fertilizer for tomatoes and peppers. Do not throw away coffee grounds, save and dry them. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Coffee grounds are an excellent natural fertilizer for tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. In a liter of water, I add 2 tablespoons of dried coffee grounds. I'll mix it up and let it sit overnight. After 24 hours of standing, I will water the tomatoes. Water directly at the roots, never on the leaves. Water the tomatoes with natural fertilizer once a week. With its strong smell, coffee grounds repel pests such as snails. Coffee grounds promote healthy plant growth, improve soil structure, and retain moisture. Do not overdo it with watering, so as not to acidify the soil. You can use this natural fertilizer for pepper, cucumber, and other vegetables. If you liked the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.